Yeah. Hold up. Before I get in, I'm gonna buy something on my commander. Hey, R's not ready up. Ready it up. Back of all trades. Reload time on consumables. Reload time reduction on armament. I'd like endurance, but my attack. Artillery? Expert loader's pretty cool. There we go. I got some stuff. Alright guys, I'm readying up now. Let's get this done, boys. Alright. Boy. Alright. I've not focused anything on attack. All I have is like health, is endurance and reload time and other stuff. All I'm doing is blue and orange on here. We're all battleships. Battleship is the way to go, right? You never know, Ari. You're the one that gets us into this with the hood, but the hood's still pretty darn good. I like that you have it.
Well, if you get us into this mess, I end up getting us out of it.
Yeah.
Even though I'm a cheer below you.
Yeah, you carried the team. You carried the team last time when me and Ari died.
Time I carried the team.
I don't always.
It's like I'm a less superior version of you guys. Yes.
Yeah, I'm still big.
Yeah, same. Let's go ahead and take it.
Dallas.
Yeah, I still end up
Nice
carrying
cruiser.
the team.
Nice cruiser.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. We got a tier 7 on our team. Ah. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Domination.
Oh,
Not
guys, it's
bad.
turning me to port this time. Look.
Yeah.
Back at me. I'm just gonna chill back.
You know, this happens
I
sometimes.
chilled back here one time, and the cruiser came back here with torpedoes. We started port. Oh, it never starts port.
You got a shotgun.
Oh, you know
A
what the
shotgun.
mission is when you start yes.
Shotgun.
There and-
Shotgun. I'm close to you, boy. Close to Ari and you. Speed up ahead to me, bro. You just gonna chill back there, bro? I know, I'm making myself sound like you chill back there.
Great, our squad is practically everyone on the map.
I'm America. It's not even from.
8.
I'm not. It's got 4. That's it.
Hey, engine investigation game stopped. That destroyer still on 51%.
Oh, this is annoying. Cross the T with me. I only have my forward guns. Just Why won't you sink?
敵戦艦を発見したわ。手動航行に戻すわよ。
Lag. Lag! Oh my god, so bad. I hit lag.
そこの船、戻りなさい。
Hits the Citadel! Oh yeah! Yeah! Once you get hits to Citadel, there's like no turning back. I got an assist! Yeah, I'm with you, bro. I'm trying to form a battle line with you, but you're turning. Alright. Trying to. Alright, where are you? Much appreciated. Getting shot from my right and my left? This isn't too fun. Alright, take that cruiser on the far right, far left. Woo-hoo!
こちらが優勢。回収一色だわ。対応完了したわよ。
Hey, that was my kill! Because he ran over damage.
Because of the ram, I think I might ram this battleship. Finish up this shit. I got a kill, and I got a bunch of target hits. Target hits, I got it. Stop lagging! Going to get myself. Going to get myself. That cruiser. I take him myself. He's about. People might think my tactics are both reckless and irresponsible, cognitive. I took off most of the damage of that thing. I'm the best at this game. I'm the worst, actually.
get dodge from it, but then be like, okay, I'm gonna go put on my computer and I'll leave this mission.
Why?
Take a shower.
Alright.
We'll go